With the exception of some, majority of the students find mathematics a burden to put up with. I wonder why such subject matter turned out to be a nightmare to most students. Well, Kaith Cruz may give us some answers.
Hello there, Kaith Cruz here, and this is Math Trix. Do you dread numbers? Does your mind automatically shut down at the mere thought of mathematics? If you're thinking that you would finally get rid of numbers, think again, because this segment will be all about overcoming your fear and eventually falling in love with mathematics. No matter how hard you try, maybe giving up math as leaving high school, you inevitably end up having to solve a bleeding math problem sometime. Or you enjoy the simple logic of math. Either way, this trick to solve a few harder problems will be of use to you. This trick is for multiplying by 11. And imagine a space between the two digits. In this example, we will use 52, and that would lead us to 5 blank and 2. Now, add the two numbers together and put them in the middle. 5 blank, 5 plus 2, then 2. That's it! We have the answer, 572. Math may seem complicated, but through practice and determination, you'd be the one doing math tricks. Math anxiety or fear of math is actually quite common. Math anxiety is quite similar to stage fright. Math anxiety is the fear that one wouldn't be able to do the math, or the fear that it is too hard, or the fear of failure, which often stems from lacking confidence. Where does math anxiety come from? Usually, math anxiety stems from unpleasant experiences in mathematics. Typically, math phobics have had math presented in such a fashion that leads to limited understanding. The whole notion of math anxiety can be overcome. Teachers and parents have an important role to ensure students understand math being presented to them. Now, we will talk about how to overcome math anxiety. First, a positive attitude will help. However, positive attitudes come with quality teaching for understanding, which often isn't the case with many traditional approaches to teaching mathematics. Second, ask questions. Be determined to understand the math. Don't settle for anything less during instruction. Ask for clear illustrations and/or demonstrations or simulations. Third, practice regularly, especially when you're having difficulty. Fourth, when total understanding escapes you, hire a tutor or work with peers that understand the math. You can do math. Sometimes, you just have to take it in a different approach for you to understand some of the concepts. Fifth, don't just read over your notes. Do the math. Practice the math and make sure you can honestly state that you understand what you are doing. And lastly, be persistent and don't overemphasize the fact that we all make mistakes. Remember, some of the most powerful learning stems from making a mistake. If you think making mistakes is a bad thing, look again. Sometimes the most powerful learning stems from making mistakes. Hope you have gained some points and insights today. We shall have more tips and tricks next week here on Math Tricks. So, practice math and learn to love it. See ya!